Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is N with Emoji, and on this channel, we learn everything about finances, how to make money both online and offline. So, I am here with another important information for you. So, in today's video, you are going to be learning how to get foreign numbers for free. So how to get a UK number, how to get US number for free. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you the application, how to register, how to get your number. So if you're into things like surveys, website testing and the likes, so you can use this. You can use this to open free WhatsApp and the likes. So let's get started. So if you need a one-time number, this is what you need. So without having to pay for numbers, you can use this temporary free numbers for a one-time thing that you want to do on your survey site and the likes. So let's get started. So you go to your Google Play Store. So I'm on my Google Play Store. So you search for this application. You search for temp number. So you search for temp number. You're going to see lots. As you can see lots, a lot of drop down. But the one that we are going to be using is this first one. So there are going to be a lot of it. So make sure that you are using the one that I am going to be using. Look at the logo. It should be the same. Okay, so you use this. This is the one we are going to be using. So you click on it. So you can see the logo, you can see the color. So make sure that this is the one that you are installing on your phone. Okay. So after getting this, the next thing you need to do is to install. So you wait for it to install. So depending on how fast your network is, that is the time it's going to take for it to download. So now we are just waiting for it to download and it's almost done. So now it is installing by itself. So now we are done with the installation. The next thing is to open. So we're waiting for it to load. So this is what it's going to bring out. So secondary, if you allow. So now this is the interface. Make sure that it is this exact application that you are downloading. There are lots and different variations. So that is why I said check the color, check the logo, make sure it is the same application that you are installing. So now this is the interface. So you can see public numbers, you can see private numbers. So private numbers is the one, if you want private numbers, you're going to pay for it. But we know that the purpose of this video is to get temporary numbers that you can use for your one-time verification for anything that you're using or your service site. So our focus for this video is the public numbers. So you click on public numbers. So now you're going to select your country. So like I said, there are multiple countries that you can check from. So you look at this, you can from United Kingdom, you can get United Kingdom numbers for free, United States, Canada, Poland, Puerto Rico, France. So you can see so many. We have lot and lots and lots of countries here that you can get free numbers from. So if you're working on a site that requires a one-time verification, you can just use this. So let's say we are working on a United Kingdom site that requires a number verification. So you just click on United Kingdom. So now these are numbers that are available. Okay, so you can use any of these numbers. They are free. So for on the site, you can just use any of those numbers, then they send the verification code to this and then you get. But I'm going to advise you to use the ones that maybe the first 5, okay? Because those are the recent ones. So you can just use like the first 5, but the rest is up to you. So you can click. Okay, so you can see these are the people that have used all of those numbers. You can see they've used it for different applications, right? Facebook, Bumble, Grinder, Telegram, and the likes. Okay, so you too, you can use it. You copy the number and then you paste it in the site that is requesting for number. So once they send the verification code, you just come back to this and you check and they will send the code, then you input the code. So it's as simple as that. So you don't need to pay for numbers for all of the sites, okay, for one-time verification sites that you just need a one-time verification. So you can just use these free numbers instead of getting numbers, buying numbers every time. And this, so you can use any of this for the site. You can see if you come to this other number, so you can see the people that have used this. So just make sure that you take advantage of this. If you're not working on United Kingdom sites and it is United States, you go through the same thing. So you go to the same thing, you click on United States, whichever country that you want to work with, just come to this application and use it for a one-time verification. Note, this is a one-time verification, not what you are going to be using consistently. So the site that requires just one-time verification, you can use this temporary number. So if you have any question, drop into the comment section. And if you want to learn more about survey, about website testing, where you make money from answering questions online, giving your opinions online, and then you get paid in pounds or dollars, I have a detailed course on that, teaching you how to make money from the comfort of your home just by answering survey questions or testing website. So if you want to get the course, just check the link in my bio and you can purchase the course, and you have access to free and fully detailed course on website testing or survey. So and if you have any other question, you have direct access to me. There is a mentorship group for all of these courses, so you have direct access to me, and I assure you that before the end of December, you will be learning and earning how to make money in pounds and dollars from the comfort of your home. So if you've gotten to this point, make sure you share, you like, and you subscribe. And if you want me to make videos on any other application or site, just put it in the comment section. So see you at the top. Bye.